don't know.
Bus station.
Yeah. So, ito na yung terminal, guys. So, inintay lang namin yung magpipick up sa amin. Ah, hindi pa pala yun. Akala ko yun na yun. Toyota raw yung magpipick up sa amin. Wala pa rin yung magpipick up sa amin. Sumilong muna ako dito sa may Bougainvillea. Baba, come here! Kasi ang init dun. Here, Baba! Nag-ano siya, yung parang lumobo siyang bongga dahil siguro nasa napakataas natin. Gumanyan yung...
What happened on the plane with the twisty?
With the twisty, kasi nagbaon din sila ng twisty. Nung binili namin siya, okay yung pagkabalot. Nung nasa, ano na tayo, naglipad. Nagganito yung twisties nila. Ngayon, eto naman, dito sa Baguio, ganyan na siya, oh. Sila. Ate Gina. Ha? So, dito tayo naka-check-in sa Baguio Country Club. Nire-renovate lang dito sa front. So, kain muna tayo dito sa Country Club. So, what are you having on? Burger? Okay.
So na, baka ayaw. Tingin ka ng gusto mo.
Yang,
Gusto mo kunin yung ano, yung Chinese menu?
pwede din. Mayroon sila.
Pakialam mo dyan Chinese menu. Takinaan ganun. Baka dati makita mo.
Maybe we will change fried rice.
Yeah.
You might change your mind. Yeah, order siyang burger.
Fine, yeah. You want to order
Only
one extra
burger?
fries? Okay, yeah. Wedges? Okay.
How about you, Zach? Did you order?
We have two kinds of fries here.
Spaghetti. Okay, you're done. Okay, you are good.
And Country Club old style. Yeah.
Yeah.
What's the favorite? That's the one.
Do you like?
Pony.
Yeah, I want that. No, they're not
Oh, it's
ponies.
not pony, it's a
They're
real-
just the smaller version.
No, they have small ones. They have big ones.
Okay.
In the right part. We can do that tomorrow or tomorrow.
Is that up in the map? Is that
Meron silang binigay sa akin ng Chinese.
yeah, there's some things you can.
Kayo?
Yes.
Kung may
Yes.
Pero
Yeah, there's a
itong
stairs
pang-
going up, and then there's there's a
It's a
small store
stay.
selling souvenir shops. Yes.
Dito na yung dito niluluto yung burgers na order nila dyan. Ayan. Ginibuild nila dyan sa plate na yan.
But it's
Tapos, ayan, si Kuya Jay. And then hi Kuya Jay. And then si Ate Gina andyan. So, sila yung nag-book sa amin dito sa Country Club. Thank you. Yes. First time, right, Holly? But not for Daddy.
iniisip ko nga magpalitsyon kaya tayo kay Francis.
Ay,
Yung
sarap.
belly.
Ah, yes, the belly. Ah, yes. Sarap
Palitsyon
yun.
natin kay Francis. Bibili na lang ako ng belly, tapos siya maglitsyon.
Palitsyon si
Makikain na lang
Kuya
si
Jay.
Weng sa atin.
You will meet my cousin Wang, if you remember. She's from the Visayas.
Regular, no zero. Thank you.
Regular.
You like it? Oh, he likes the bread.
Yes.
Ay, ang sarap ng bread daw dito.
Why?
Gusto ni Jana, tikman ko yung raisin bread dito sa Country Club.
Yes.
Special bake.
Yeah. And look, there's some birds.
Yeah.
It's peaceful here.
So quiet. Nice.
Just like your place. Just like your place.
Actually, this
Sarap ng bread.
Oh yeah, especially your
Sarap ng
place.
butter din.
Yeah.
The butter is good.
It's 28 behind on things like that.
You want more?
Yes, definitely 28. There's not much. But it's,
Hala.
but it's a nice thing.
Gusto pa raw nila.
Sige, kain mo na sila. Sige.
One burger spinach. Okay.
Iniisip ko what's for dinner
Okay.
tonight. I'm thinking where we're going to eat. Good. And it's really good.
So bagong gawa to, te?
Yes.
Yes, bago
They bake it every
Are
day.
you sorry. You always snack.
Like tomorrow, you can choose breakfast. Like you
They
can
had
have
a
the
full
buffet here, or you can have breakfast at the
Buffet, so we can try.
pastry shop.
Ah,
Yung
pastry.
pagpasok namin
Ah,
kanina,
pastry. Okay. Yeah. The first one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Masarap din dito yung golfer's breakfast din.
Masarap din.
Yeah, if you don't want the
Golfer's
buffet,
breakfast.
you can
If you
ask
don't want a
the buffet.
buffet.
Alright.
There's Culver's bread buns. This is corned beef hash.
No, John will love it.
Yeah, I think.
We can come down and have breakfast.
Yes.
What were you saying, sir?
That's
Butter is good. Ate Gina, the butter is good now.
Yes.
Oh, that's nice.
Yes, that's the big thing.
The bread's good too now. How about
The burger.
Look at the burger.
goodness, you have your own set of... Can you finish that, Holly? Probably
Yeah.
not. You can just slice it.
No, it's okay.
Yeah, slice it right
You can share
into
with the
four.
chips that you
Yes.
Yes, and then
That's the
we'll
best.
see if you're gonna
This
finish
is
it.
one of the best.
Best burger.
Anong diet ng mga anak niyo?
Naman niya. Ayan na.
babae.
Babae kanina pagutom niya.
Tapos ketchup mayonnaise.
Ketchup mayonnaise. Wow.
Yeah,
You know,
yeah,
wait,
yeah.
baby.
Not the banana one.
Banana
Oh, I
ketchup.
don't like banana ketchup.
Picture ko kayo, guys.
Picture.
Look here. Look here. 1, 2, 3. Good.
How's that?
Holy.
You're gonna have that.
That's why I'm gonna cut it into four.
Yes, girl.
I'm gonna cut it into four.
Sobrang sayo.
What did you want?
No, we just ate. Go ahead, go ahead.
Go ahead. We finished, I
Dito
think,
yung
1:30.
Okay, just you wait.
Mine I have bread.
Tatlong iced tea sa iced tea. And the bread is really good.
Yeah, it's so
So soft.
I think that's
Yeah, thank
They
you.
have one burger here. The biggest burger is around this big.
Oh my God.
Yeah, that's for the
Then
whole
to
family.
slice it for the whole family.
Like, I think it's good for 10. Yeah,
Yeah, yeah.
Nice. This, eto yung mahiyain.
Eto, mapili sa pagkain. Itong katabi ko.
I'm, depend. Eto, ano siya?
This is there.
Ano
This is
siya?
at home.
Mag-try siya. You will try.
For the-
But eto hindi. Parang si Jan, one stick
Yeah,
to ano lang siya.
Yun lang, kung ano
Yun lang
gusto
kung
niya.
ano lang. But sometimes, if it's Filipino food, tumatawag na si ma'am. Pinsan ni ma'am, si Ate Gina.
Oh, I see.
So, ayan. Sine-check lang kami ni ma'am kung nakarating na kami dito sa, ano, sa Baguio. Nagutom na sila.
They're enjoying it here. We're just talking what kayo.
Ah, oo nga.
Malapit na yung 5 buwan na lang yun natin.
Yes.
What's that?
No.
The ice is so good.
Bye, Susan. Bye. Bye, Tingin. Love you, love you. Ingat. Love you too. Bye. What about for red? He's
Is
the
he
big
good ba?
guy.
he's gonna do the joiner now.
That's the spaghetti.
Ngayon yung spaghetti.
Goodness.
At sa akin yung congee.
That's pretty good.
So much sauce.
Thank you. Okay, wow. Thank you. Look at mine. Wow. Look at Okay, okay. Wow, my chili mas. Oh, thank you po. Oh, like it? Meron akong, ito yung congee, beef congee.
Yes, I did.
Tapos
I did
meron
follow.
tayong soya sauce and ano to, sambal or yeah, parang sambal. Nag-go over the bakod siya, oh. Nice.
You dip it in rice.
You dip in the rice, baba.
That.
You want bread? Just put it on the side.
Ayan, dito. Here.
Ah, you want butter. Sarap na sarap siya sa
You
butter.
want some more? You want
I think that's Anton.
mayonnaise?
This one?
Dagdagan mo na lang.
No, he wants me to put butter.
Who wants butter?
You want that?
Yeah. Okay. Here. Yung dalawa. Sag.
Good.
Welcome. So, anchor lang yan. Sinoften ano lang. Parang room temperature para
Yeah, I
soft.
think, yeah. Alam pang ko yan.
Yeah. So, type na yung spaghetti, oh. Gusto niya.
Gusto
Sarap
niya.
ng spaghetti dito.
Ito, ugali nitong katabi ko. Para nakikiramdam, no?
Oo. Para siyang ano siya.
Titignan niya muna.
Pero hindi. Madaldal yan.
Talaga.
So,
Diyos ko, para siyang lawyer. Lahat ng
talaga.
tapon mo may sagot siya, tapos sa sagot niya may ano. Basta lahat, eh, walang katapusan. Tahimik nga eh. Kalamansi. Lugaw.
Yeah.
You know? The chicken
Does
that...
mommy cook lugaw?
Yeah, she like the lugaw with chicken and egg.
Oh, yeah. The arroz caldo.
Arroz caldo.
Arroz caldo. Yeah, but
Yeah,
it's
the
a
rice.
Chinese style.
Yeah, but this is Chinese version.
Polly, how old are you? 8?
7.
7.
No, my birthday.
When's your birthday?
September.
September.
22.
I'm 23.
September?
Goodness. How about you?
September 23.
Oh, same birthday.
Oh,
That's why you're foggy pala. This is 21, this is 23.
23, yeah.
And how about you, Jan?
May 6.
May?
May 6.
May 6.
Napalayo siya.
Oo nga.
Adig
Oh, but
mga lakaman kay ceramic spoon para kay
Sarap. Sarap.
hindi spoon.
This one? Yeah. I always make this, remember? During winter. I used to catch that. Tapos na kami, guys. Ang sarap ng pagkain.
It's a ano ba?
You're wrong side.
Dito. Doon sila sa ano overlooking the golf course.
Ah, wow.
See?
Look at this, ha. Look at the view.
The view.
Wow.
I reckon we started on.
Yeah.
This is the junior suite because
Ah,
on 16 to 18 you'll transfer to the
Okay, it's connected room.
next room.
Big room.
Okay, so
Tails, right?
this is ours.
The suite room.
Oh, so we got the suite room.
That's for your mom and
John
dad.
and for your mom.
Okay, that's right.
No, this is for the parents, not
This
yours.
is the parents. This is for the parents.
Nice.
Nice.
Perfect.
You don't smoke, okay? Remember.
Unless you want to pay.
You gotta do that.
And they were up
That's the
there.
view. Enjoy siya dyan sa patubig na yan. Bidet. Kaalis lang guys ni Ate Gina at ni Kuya Jay. I-room tour ko kayo dito sa Baguio Country Club Hotel. Kung saan yung room namin. So yung sa amin is en-suite. Tapos may junior suite din kami kasi yung mga bata. So, dalawang room kami, connected siya. So, i-room tour ko kayo. So, ito yung door. Yan. Tapos, pagpasok nyo, meron sila dito. Yan. May robe. Hello, my robe. Do you like the room?
You gonna wear?
Which one? The robe? No. Ayan. Dito yung ating, ayan, may robes. And, yan, pwedeng drawers, ilagay yung mga gamit. Then, may full-length mirror. Ito yung toilet. No, this is connected. This is connected to Han, the right side. This one. Because we cannot open the door. Sorry, so that's not the toilet. So, ito yung room ni Kuya tsaka ni Zach. Yan yung bedroom. Ito yung bed nila. That's your bed. Yeah. And, the balcony, it's so nice. The view is so amazing. Ayan. I'm not sure, babe. Ayan yung view nila, Kuya. Pabor na pabor to kay Kuya kasi. Ayan yung golf course. We don't do that. Okay, next. Ito yung, meron din silang mirror and TV. Upuan. So, ito yung parang office. Then, may ref. Tingnan natin ang laman ng ref. Oops. Oh.
I meant to leave something.
Oh, yun lang. How to open this? And, ayan, tea, coffee. And alam nyo ba, tingnan nyo, eto parang siyang sasabog. Kasi yung altitude dito ay mataas. Kaya nagaganito sila. Where are you going now? Second floor?
Okay.
Then, ayan, yung mga tasa-tasa, kettle, kung gusto nyo mag-coffee. And may coffee maker din dito, lolis ni Zach. Tapos, eto door. Ayan, door. Then, kung big family kayo, ayan. Pero member kasi dito sila tita, so hindi ko alam pag hindi member kung ano yung, ano nila dito, ganap or rules. So, eto na yung sa amin. Yung sa boys doon. Tapos, eto yung room namin ni Johnny Boy. So, I'm not sure. Maybe this is fridge. So, how to open? Oh, so ref pala guys siya, guys. Okay, basta ref siya, hindi ko lang mabuksan. So, same, meron din tayong coffee maker and mas malaki yung TV namin compared dun sa boys. Then, ay nanonood si Sak ng YouTube. May mirror. And, ayan yung veranda namin. Malaki din yung veranda dito, guys. Oh. Pero bawal dito ang manigarilyo dahil magbabayad kayo ng 2,500 penalty yun. Kasi ayan yung view. Mas maganda yung view ni Kuya. Pareho lang, pero parang mas wider kay Kuya. Sa boys. So, yan yung view dito. Pasok tayo. Walang aircon dito, guys. Kasi, pwede naman buksan to sa gabi. Kasi, maganda yung weather dito. Hindi mainit. Tapos, ayan yung mirror namin. May malaki pang mirror. May pasala. Kompleto. May lampshade. Wow. Bisak. Then, may dining kami. Ayan, dining. Then, toilet to. Meron ditong toilet. So, ayan na yung toilet. Siguro may... Ewan ko, hindi yung toilet na isa. Basta yan, toilet. Yung aming door. Another door. Ang daming door. Baka mahilo na kayo, guys. So, eto yung bedroom namin. I'm not sure. Yes, I think. So, eto yung bedroom namin. Eto yung bed namin. Tapos, yan daw na... Yung parang scarf. Yan daw yung native, ano raw yan dito sa Baguio. Tapos, snake bone daw yan. Sabi ni Ate Gina. So, yan yung aming bed. Yan. And then dito, veranda. So, yung kanina veranda sa sala yon. Dito yung veranda sa kwarto. So, ayan. Same lang as kay Kuya, pero palapit na kaming palapit doon. Kay Kuya kasi wide niya yung makikita doon sa kwarto ng boys. Tapos doon tayo kanina nag-lunch doon sa babang yan. So, malulobot na naman ang battery natin. Yan, close lang natin. And another mirror. Ang daming mirror. Then may TV. So, tatlong TV namin. Isa sa boys room, sa sala, and then dito. So, ang daming TV. And same cabinet. Then may full-length mirror. And ito yung aming bathroom. So, yan. May bathroom tayo. And ayan yung kanilang mga shower cup, sabon, turba. Then, eto, ayan, amazed na si Holly. Gustong-gusto niya. Ay, hindi na lumabo kayo. Si Holly gustong-gusto yang bidet, ang tawag ba dyan? Tapos, ito yung shower room namin. So, very nice. Ayan yung shampoo and conditioner. So, marami sila ditong, ano guys, may rules dito pag nag-stay. Meron silang binigay dito na yung mga rules, may dress code, bawal sa babae ang tube, bawal yung crocs, bawal yung mga rubber, dapat naka-close shoes, kahit ano pa daw na, ano ba yun, rubber, hindi pwede dito. Basta may binibigay naman just in case kung magbubuk din kayo dito. Kami kasi, binuk kami dito ni, yun nga, ni Kuya Jay kasi member sila dito sa country club. And meron kaming etong sinasabing CRN Consumables Monitoring Form. Ayan. So, may nakalagay dyan, guys, na 9,000. Remember, hindi ko na ano masyado, guys, kasi sakit ang ulo ko, guys. Tinanong ko si Ate Gina. Sabi ko, Ate, bakit parang feeling ko na, ano ako na, parang sabi kong lumilindro. Sabi niya, normal, especially sa first timer. Kasi nasa taas tayo, yung altitude mataas. Sabi ko, akala ko ano, kasi first time ko parang sabi ko, Ate, parang gumaganong-ganon ako. Kasi no, you're alright. It's just because nasa taas tayo. So, first time mo, yun ang mararamdaman mo. So, hindi ko alam kung kayo nakapagpabagyo na ba. Ganito rin ba yung feeling? Parang ano ka, yung parang ganon, hindi balance yung... Pag tumatay ako, feeling ko parang may lumilindol. Kaya sabi ni Ate Gina, magpahinga muna kami dito. Tapos, mamaya susundin kami ulit. Maglilibot-libot. So, yan yung room namin. Ang ganda ng room, guys. This is, sabi ni Kuya Jay, one of the best room dito sa Baguio Clubhouse. Kasi ang ganda, tingnan nyo, ang laki. As in, para ka ng may, ano, bahay. Wala na. Tapos, pwede kami magpadala ng pagkain. Room service, pwede. Tingnan nyo, ito nga yung sinasabi ko sa inyo. Oh, sabi ni Isa, Ma'am, look at this. Nangyari din to dun sa, ano, sa aeroplano na nag-pop yung, ano nila, yung chips nila. O, tingnan nyo. Oh. Parang puputok, nakakatawa. Parang siyang puputok na. Sobrang ganda ng room. Thank you, Ate Gina and Kuya Jay. Ayan, ang ganda-ganda. And syempre kay Ma'am Minita, kasi siya yung nag-organize na papuntan rin namin dito. And sila Len and April and the rest of the family sa Cavite. Sila yung nagatid sa amin sa bus station. Kasi hindi naman namin alam kung saan kayo pupunta. And ang ganda talaga, guys. Super ganda. As in, the best. The best na room. Okay, magpahinga ko, guys, kasi ano talaga ako na, parang hindi pantay yung nilalakaran ko. So, magpahinga muna ako, mamaya na lang ulit. And, Ay, mag-edit pa pala ako. Tapusin ko muna yun. Kahit nahihilo na tayong saglit. Kasi sabi ni ate, natakot kayo. Sabi ko, bakit ako nahihilo? At normal yan, huwag kang matakot. Normal yan. Kasi sabi ko, bakit kakakain ko ng gata? Kasi yan, hindi. Kasi hindi mo naman yung na-feel nandun. Sabi ko, hindi. Dito lang. Yung para kung ganun-ganun. Comment below kung nafe-feel nyo rin yan. Pag pumupunta kayo ng Baguio. Yung parang, yeah. Okay, ano na muna ako. Magpayang saglit tapos itutuloy ko yung pag-i-edit ko, guys. Hi, kaya pala, akala ko dito is, safety. It's alright. Kaya pala hindi ko mabuksan kasi nakalock yung fridge. Thank you. And then yung kabila din po.
Kabila.
Opo.
What's this? Are they're not free?
No, sir.
They got charged and we're just gonna write it here, right?
No, we don't want to.
So, kumuha si Jan sa baba. Meron pala dito. Pero, pag check out namin, bibilangin kung ilan yung nakuha.
Then I have a shower at night.
Guys, magsa 7 o'clock na pala. I-meet ulit natin si Ate Gina at si Kuya Jay sa baba with a fam bomb. And magdi-dinner tayo. And si Holly naka-cardigan. Kasi malamig na. And blazer. Pero nag-shower ako, guys. Hot body. Pero same pa rin yung damit natin. Except dun sa baba. Kasi yung damit namin limited lang. Si Holly same pa rin, naglagay lang siyang cardigan. Pero naligo na rin. Si Holly hindi pala naligo. Yung boys. Naligo sila. Basa pang buho. Wapo ni Kuya. And syempre, the father. The kulit. Kulit. Pumunta dun. Kasama si Zach. Si Kuya tsaka si Holly dito sila sa fireplace. So, hintayin lang natin sila ate. Ando na yung kids sa isang car. Dito kami. Oh, yan! Hi, Grandma! No, it's your alright, Grandma. I'll go the other side. Still maganda si Grandma. Hi, Grandma! Sabi ko si Grandma is still the same. Sabi ni Jan, is still maganda. How's the ride with aunties? Ha? Opo. Oy, sige, bless! Bless Grandma! Bless Grandma! Bless Grandma! This is Zach. Ayan na the girls. The girls. Sino si Zach? Hey, bless. Oy, hug the grandma. Hug grandma. Hug. Hug grandma. Kiss. Sino? Si Holly? Hi, grandma. Hi. So, magka-count kami ni grandma. 1, 2, 3. Kasi kailangan namin hawakan si grandma. So, every time na naglalakad kami ni grandma at may escalator, kailangan mag-count para sabay kami ni grandma kasi kailangan hawakan si grandma. Right, grandma? Ang ganda ni grandma, oh. Ganda-ganda ni grandma. Hindi siya nagbabago. 10 years ago, ganun pa rin. Di ba tayo namin hindi nakauwi? Hi! So, ayan daw yung Burnham Park, nandoon. So, pupunta kami dyan next time para kita natin sa... Ay, look at that. May kidlat. So, dito. Ang ganda. Ang presko dito. Tingnan mo si Jan. Siya naman nag-video. Siya naman nag-video si Grandma. Ang ganda tayo ni Grandma. Grandma! Bahay. Ikot-ikot. Baba kami. Okay, magka-count kami ni Grandma. 1, 2, 3. Oh, sabay kami ni Grandma. Kailangan sabay kami mag-step. So, paikot-ikot ka lang. Okay. Papagalitan ka. Huwag na lang. Relax ka na lang. Okay, magka-count ulit kami ni Grandma. Okay. 1, 2, 3.
Sorry, 1 floor down.
1 floor pa pala. Okay. It's alright. 1 more floor. Pumunta kami dun sa sa pinakataas.
Mahilig mag-coffee si John. This is the best
Oh
coffee.
yeah, John loves coffee. So we can have that after this.
Well, it's up to him. Because I don't drink coffee. Nahihilo ako.
John.
Oh, hindi rin ako coffee ka? Oh, hindi rin ako. Nahihilo ako. Okay, kain tayo dito sa Gringo. Kumain ako dito, pero sa Legazpi, kung maalala nyo, kasama ko si Uncle Wood. Okay, diyan ka sa gilid. Oo, sige. So, mag-order na tayo.
Ano pong pasta nila? Bolognese bacon. Pwede kasama dito sa
Try, it's chips. Nice. It's chips. Yeah, try.
Try.
It's crunchy, it's good. Today, you can compare today. Oh, that was Sakari daw ate.
Oh, there.
Ayan na kay Holy Pasta. Yeah, just have this one, Baba. Oh, get some.
You mix both.
Mix.
Durugin mo yun.
Super tahimik. It's smoky, no? Masarap yung pasta. Okay, ayan na.
Yung garlic mushroom.
Okay, just in the center. Thank you. Ayan na yung order natin.
Oo nga, smoky.
Yeah, it tastes smoky. Palis na lang yan. Sharing to. Yeah. Palis na lang to, kuya. Yeah, we have to remove this.
Yes.
Sarap pa.
Tapos meron yung mga ibang slice.
Alright. Main order.
That's the main. Look at the main.
Here.
Mayroon bang mas malaki pa niyan, guys?
Grandma.
Okay. Thank you.
Rice, ma.
Si grandma. Oh, bigyan.
Ayan yung chicken.
And I'll give you rice, ma.
Ito, wala na laman.
And the ribs, nandun. Ang haba ng ano namin.
Bigyan mo si ano. Oh, sila na ribs. Huwag na to ito na kasi puro.
No, it's alright,
No, no,
kuya.
no. There one. That's the one. The bago. Okay.
Thank you. Ang sarap nitong ribs.
Yum. Yep. Yours.
Yeah, I have.
Pinapakain si Jam. Di ba one day, amin lang yan? Ang dami niya nang nakain.
The meat
Pero pinapakain siya ni Kuya Jay. Pinapatry niya. Kasi kanina ang dami niya nakain. Di ba? Nakikita niyo naman. Inubos niyo yung mga tira-tira ng mga bata.
Your dad was like that too with your mom.
We're done. You're full, Grandma? Busog na kami ni Grandma. Ang sarap ng food dito sa Gringo. So, magdi-dessert kami. Punta ko sa Macau Imperial Milk Tea. Yung katulad sa Legazpi, sa SM, meron din daw dito. Yung cream cheese. Ayan yung Macau Imperial Tea. Yan, Grandma, tea. Ube. May nakita siyang ube. Dito kami sa Macau Imperial. Ayan. My favorite. Ang sexy ni Grandma, oh! Dito tayo sa Adidas. Gusto nila ng socks. Ano to?
Ice sa kanya. Gusto niya ice coffee.
Gosh, dapat sa'yo. Ice coffee nga eh. Okay. Patricia, saan tayo? Luis?
Ay, nasa Nanyang po.
Nanyang. Ayan, Nanyang. Ayan, dito tayo. Kaya nga, amazed na amazed si Sak. Sabi niya, Mom, look at the chips. Look at the chips. It's gonna pop. Kasi nga, ayan o. Kasi nga, nasa taas tayo. High altitude. What do you want? Ah, that's the yucky one.
This liver and
Oh, that's the yak. Tinawaw ng mga bata. May nagpa-picture sa kanila and gusto lang magpa-picture din sa akin. Hello po. Okay, see you, Grandma. I'll see you tomorrow, okay?
Yeah.
Ay, ito rin. Mwah. See you tomorrow, Grandma.
Bye.
Bye. Say bye-bye na to Ates. Bye, Ate. Kadang, Ate.
Bye, guys.
Bye, Kuya.
Bye,
Thank you,
okay.
thank you.
Welcome.
Mwah. See
Okay,
you
good
tomorrow.
night. So you can take a rest.
Anong gagawin kung... Because the horseback riding area.
Okay.
Bye.
See you bukas, ha?
What? Yeah.
We can do horse.
What is it? Arigato.
Tomorrow morning.
Arigatou gozaimasu.
Arigato.
Arigating! I'll see you tomorrow. Okay,
Bye,
I'll
Tita.
see you tomorrow.
Bye.
Bye.
No, the cigarette.
The baby. Kalis na sila ate. And we're back here. Hello po, good evening. Sabi ni Kuya, bakit daw dito ako nag-work? Wala na, ano? Yeah, okay. Hey guys, we're gonna close the vlog now. Yun na yung vlog natin for today. We are so tired. Thank you. Yes, Kuya, I'm going to my room. Thank you, guys. Please like, please subscribe if you haven't yet. See you on my next vlog. Good night.
I feel good. I feel good. I feel good, feel good, feel good. I feel good, feel good. Woke up this morning feeling a little strange. This state is foreign. I don't feel any pain. I don't understand it. Just like a starry day. This brand new orbit is where I wanna stay. Ghosts of my past don't seem all that close now. Don't even know how. All I know. Yeah, I got problems. Ain't gotta solve them. Right now I'm awesome. All I know. I feel good, even with no makeup. I feel good, nothing but a t-shirt. I feel good, feel good, feel good. I feel good, feel good. I feel good, knowing that I'm in control. I feel good, no one's gonna stop my road. Feel good, feel good, feel good. I feel good, feel good. I feel good, feel good, feel good. I feel good, feel good. I feel good, feel good, feel good. I feel good, feel good. I'm so James Brown, you gotta get up to get down. Dopamine in my veins now. So high, so high, so high. I'm lit up like Vegas, flashing lights on stages, on those good vibrations.